Most handyman business owners get this wrong. They think they need more leads when the real problem is poor organization. Here's the truth no one tells you. Many handyman businesses lose customers because they miss calls, forget follow-ups, or take too long to send quotes. In this video, you'll learn the best CRM options for handyman businesses in 2026, which features actually matter, and how to choose the right platform without wasting money on tools you'll never use. Let's get straight into it. A handyman business has unique needs. Unlike specialized contractors, you're often handling a wide variety of jobs. One day, it's drywall repair. The next day, it's furniture assembly, painting, or fixture installation. That means your CRM needs to be flexible, simple, and fast. For most handyman businesses, Jabra is one of the strongest choices in 2026. It makes scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and customer management easy. If you're a solo operator or managing a small team, the platform is straightforward and doesn't require weeks of training. But here's the problem. Many business owners focus only on booking jobs. They forget that customer communication is what keeps the schedule full long-term. This is where automation becomes valuable. Imagine Jake receives a website inquiry for a small home repair. Instead of manually responding, his CRM automatically captures the lead, sends a confirmation, schedules a consultation, and reminds the customer before the appointment. That's less administrative work and a better customer experience. Now here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro is another popular option because of its strong mobile features. Handyman businesses spend most of their time on job sites, not in an office. Being able to update jobs, create invoices, and collect payments directly from a smartphone can save hours every week. For larger operations with multiple crews, platforms like ServiceItem may offer more advanced reporting and dispatching tools. However, many handyman businesses simply don't need that level of complexity. This is where most people fail. They choose software based on the longest feature list rather than the problems they're trying to solve. In a minute, I'll give you the easiest way to choose. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do you need better scheduling? Faster quoting? Better customer follow-up? The CRM that solves those issues should move to the top of your list. For solo operators and small handyman teams, Jabra often delivers the best balance of simplicity and value. For businesses that prioritize mobile workflows and field management, Housecall Pro is a strong contender. Larger companies may benefit from more advanced systems, but only if they actually use the extra features. The best CRM for handyman businesses in 2026 is the one that helps you stay organized, respond faster, and turn more inquiries into paying customers. If this video helped you find the right CRM for your business, hit the like button, subscribe for more home service business content, and leave a comment sharing which platform you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.